Yeah, no, absolutely. I think, we've all had a tough year, Charlie. I think this is the first meeting that we've had at this scale. But I do think, kudos to the International Myeloma Society and all the work which went into this to make this a successful meeting. We took all the COVID precautions. Only 100% vaccination was allowed here. We were able to socially distance. As you saw at this meeting, we were testing every day, and the fact that we're meeting in person after more than a year and a half, 2 years actually, has been incredible. And I can't thank the people who actually were able to come here in person. It's been an incredible meeting, and progress in myeloma has not stopped. So for that reason, I think for us to be able to celebrate that in person was a huge step. And I do think going forward, we all have to try and start living with this virus. I'm hoping that we look at it more sort of as opposed to a pandemic, an endemic thing. And we've got to do all of these things to try and get back to some level of normalcy.